Mr. Jerry Butler, Matthew Perks, thank you very much for having chosen Aruba as the host for this very important craft conference. Every year we have our Green Conference, and it's a great attribute to add to our Green Conference such a prestigious organization such as craft. So thank you very much, and thank you for your leadership, for your organization skill, and for bringing so many important partners for a sustainable development to Aruba. Thank you very much. A hand of applause to craft. Also, today I would like to express a special word of thanks to our partners of Carbon War Room. Aruba has chosen a direction that naturally is something that comes quite natural to a small island and a small community, finding a way to create a better quality of life for the citizens and a much more sustainable development, which will really translate economic growth into well-being for our citizens. But it is crucial to have important partners, and when you take up such a big and enormous challenge, and the fact that Aruba can say that we are walking along with Carbon War Room, with TNO, institutions such as Harvard, TU Delft, really gives us a great support for the vision that we have articulated and set out for our island to be totally sustainable by 2020. So to all these institutions, to all these organizations, and to all these very important partners, thank you very much for being with us on this important endeavor for Aruba, but also for the world. Thank you very much.